Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unfollow someone on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to unfollow someone on Facebook, guys, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account. Now in order to unfollow someone, you need to know a thing, that is we can do that by going to their profile directly. Either you can search for the name from over here, and after that go to their profile to unfollow. We'll be doing that as well, but in order to view whom we had followed in the past, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three line icon over there. Tap on it, and after landing on this page, at the top right corner again tap on the gear or the settings icon. From over here scroll down until you can find the activity log under the category your activity. Tap on activity log, and over here tap on connections, and again tap on the manage followers button, which is the second one. And over here guys, you will see all of the personnel whom you had followed on Facebook. Now in order to proceed, you can see I had followed a person, this Elisa Gurung. I think it is on the first, and I had followed her on February 20th. Now to unfollow that person, I will be searching for that person, and you can see guys, she's on the top of the list where I have followed her. You can see guys, even though we had sent a friend request, but it says we are following her when you tap on the three dotted icon. Now in order to unfollow, simply tap on that following button and tap on unfollow and go back. Or guys, simply the unfollow button will be available like this. If you are following this person, you can see there is the following button available for us. But if you want to unfollow it, you simply tap on the following button and again tap on unfollow, and that person will be unfollowed. And there guys, this is how you unfollow someone on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.